What clubs do you have today?
I have Pee-wee tennis. I have robotics.
That's great. I have band practice.
Every morning, we are proud to recite the Anti-Bullying Pledge, the school mission statement, and the school motto of SJA, Serve Jesus Always by Doing the Right Thing.
Here we are in our state-of-the-art science lab. As a STREAM school, I love how our students are able to do countless hands-on activities.
This is my 8th grade geometry honors math class, where I am earning high school credits. SJA is my second family. Some of my classmates will be my lifelong brothers and sisters. Now I'm off to composition class. I wonder what my little brother and sister are doing. Is he in art class, designing a model for the Streamlab 3D printer? Or is he building on the awesome Lego wall? Or maybe is he pretending to be a superhero on the zip line at the playground? Again? And I wonder what fun stories my little sister in pre-K will tell me about today. When I graduate this year, I'm going to miss all the amazing teachers who care so much about us and the incredible memories we're all making together at our beautiful campus.
Our students are given the wonderful opportunity to participate in weekly Mass, our yearly uplifting spiritual retreats, and numerous opportunities to help others through service projects.
Come visit us at St. Joan's so you can see for yourself why so many of our graduates have been valedictorians and salutatorians in the nearby high schools since 1960.
Now I'm off to my last class, Spanish for Heritage Speakers. Adios! Hope to see you soon.